Tip number one, make this tool right here. Working in backwards through these tiles, I need to hit this direction. So if you take a look at this, it's got some tape, a knocking block, and I just put a couple screws on this. So this is the smooth side. Like we're laid down like this and you were up against let's say a wall right here. You don't really have a lot of room to hammer. Take this and go like that. So the piece just locks right in there. Knock your hammer and your block will slide like this. And then I also, you notice this tiny little locking snap right there. I took the razor knife and basically took that lip off so that it slides in without locking, like that. So there you go. It's my best tip.